In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the new features available in CLP version 0.5. CLP is a log archive and analytics tool that allows you to losslessly compress your logs and then analyze those compressed logs without decompression. You can download the new release from the releases page on GitHub, and you can check out the release notes there too. In version 0.5, you can now configure a retention period for your compressed logs. CLP supports retention control at the granularity of archives. So let's say you have an archive that contains logs with some time range, and let's say you set your retention period to 30 days. CLP will delete that archive 30 days after the timestamp of the last log in the archive. To achieve this, CLP uses a garbage collector that wakes up every so often and checks for expired logs. Now, because the collector only wakes up periodically, the archive may not be deleted immediately when the retention period expires. To reduce this potential delay, you can decrease the sweep interval of the garbage collector. CLP also supports deleting expired search results using the same process. To configure retention control, before you start CLP, open CLP's config file and uncomment it. To set the retention period for archives, modify retention period under the archive output key. For search results, it's the same, but under the results cache key. You can configure the garbage collector's sweep interval for each type of data in the garbage collector settings. Something to be aware of is that the garbage collector runs on UTC time. So if your logs don't use UTC timestamps, you'll need to adjust your retention period by subtracting the UTC offset of the time zone that your logs use. The new version also makes it easier to manage your compressed datasets if you're using the JSON flavor of CLP. For instance, to list all datasets, I can use the list command. You can see that I have 3 compressed datasets here. And if I want to delete them, I can use the del command, followed by the names of the datasets that I want to delete. Version 0.5 brings a few other important improvements, like scheduler bug fixes, improved parsing of search queries, and web UI usability improvements. For more info, check out the release notes and the changelog. And, as always, feel free to reach out to us on GitHub or Discord if you have any questions.